Hello guys, this is Man the Coder and I am Man Kaswala. Today we will make a full of calculator with minus, plus, multiplication, divide and percentage operators. So first we have to go to code.org. Then you have to do sign in, but I have signed in, so I will go to your create app lab and then to go to design, orange theme, to text input box. We have to take five buttons. You can change your favorite theme like peachy pastel 2-1, dark scheme, blue steel, blue and gold, under the sea, playtime. We will put playtime. Okay, now we have to put 5 buttons. One more or last one. So we will arrange it. One more. Okay, we have arranged. So we want a label to get the answer in it. So we will make it bigger, more bigger. We will put this here. This should be here. Should be here. So this button name should be. This should be plus button. Plus. We will increase the size. You can also increase and decrease the font size. Second button should be minimize, so minus. Okay, minus. Mine is already. Mine, but we will put the like emojis of this plus. More bigger. This should be minus. So we will put this font size. No. Wow. Sorry. Minus. This should be multiply. Oh, sorry. Divide, not multiply. Increase the value of font size. This should be divide. Increase the font size. This should be percentage. So we got it percentage in shift plus 5. Increase the font value. Go to code. Now, no, sorry, we don't need any text in our label. So go to code, take on event block. This is the ID. Button 1 is the plus ID. So button 1. Then set property. Should be taken, and then here should be label with text. How can we add? So this should be first number should be here or second number should be here. If I click on it, the answer should be came here. So we will take get number ID get number 2. Here should be text input 1, no 2, sorry. Here should be text input 1 or text input 2. We will see by 95 plus by 50, 165, not 15 only. If I click on it, the answer should, if you want to increase the font value of this also, you can also increase it. We will put 40. No, 40 should be more. 30. And then we will go the answer 95, 15, 110. 95 plus 5 is equal to 100 and plus 10 is equal to 110. So we will go here, take one more on event block. Now button ID number 2, set property, where is set property? Set property, here is set property. Here should be label, here should be text. This is minus option, so we will minus, or sorry, don't, should be here. Now we have to get a get number of one more get number. Here should be text input 1 and text input 2. If I minus 95 by 15, answer should be 80. Why it's not coming? What's glitch? It's a glitch. It's a glitch. So we have to remix it, reload. Now it will give you the real exact value of minus, it's the answer 80. It wasn't glitch, so it don't came. So one more on event, this should be button 3. Go to set property. One thing, one more and one more. Now we don't need any on event block. Set property, and this also be set property, and this should be button 4 and button 5 label, and this also should be screen not, should be label. Here should be label, here should be text, so this is our multiplication operator. Here is a multiply operator, we will add it. This is our divide operator. Okay, this should be at the last because it has a method, so we will do at the last. Take we will add all to get number ID. Take get number, do not take get set number. After you will send me comments, it's not working. What can I do? Here should be text input 1 or 2. True. Here also should be 1 and not 2. Here should be 1. Here also should be 1. Our multiplication and divide is done. The method of finding percentage is the number should be firstly multiplied by 100 and after it should be divided by 100. The exact answer will be your percentage. So first we will take a multiply operator. Here should be 100, and then we will put a divide operator on 100, and here also should be 100. Okay, so we will go to UI controls and take get number here also, get number ID here also. So we will take here text input 1 and text input 1. The full of the calculator is done. 15 multiply, the answer should be 1425. We will go to a new tab, search calculator, and what was the number? 14.25 and 95.15. 95 multiplied by 15, answer is 1425. When we divide the number 6.unlimited3, so when we divide, sorry, 95 divide by 15, 6.3333333333. We will take out percentage. Okay, it's one more time glitch. Oh my gosh. 95 and 15. The percentage, why it's coming 90-25? Is there a text input too? Text input 2 we will take. Let's see your 2. No, it's not 2. Here 2, here we will take 1. I hope it's work. It's work. 95 percentage by 15 is equal 14.20. Yes, it works. Full of the calculator is completed. We will rename it. No. CALCU later. Yes, we made it. Okay, so if you like the video, please subscribe my channel Mahandecoder and like this video, share and comment which will you like to make a game, like view like Mix Match Sport or a Flappy game. So comment below in the section. I will wait your comment and then I will put a video on this. So bye all of you. Goodbye. Audio.